Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Let us thank the Lord for gathering us in this beautiful Monday afternoon as we celebrate the memorial of Saint Jerome, no? Priest and doctor of the church. Siya po ang responsible for translating the sacred scriptures from Hebrew to Greek, from Greek to Latin, yung naririnig nating Vulgate. He is also known by saying that ignorance of scriptures is ignorance of Christ. But reflecting on our readings today, particularly the Gospel, I'm sure some of who are attending here and in our online are parents. And the experience of some, not all naman ho, na mga magulang, kuminsan ho, they feel sad when despite all their efforts, their children fail to practice the good behavior they have been taught. No? Sa mga paalala, sa mga mabubuting asal, kuminsan nalulungkot ang mga magulang pag hindi ho ginagawa at sinusunod ng ating mga anak. I do believe that in our gospel for today, Jesus, the good master, had a similar prostrating experience as regards to his disciples. After training them, living with them for 2 to 3 years, he surely expected them to have caught his spirit and his example of generosity and cooperation. But what did he observe? They quarreled about who would be considered the greatest among them. And John tried to prevent anyone who did not belong to their group from doing any good. Indeed, even when Jesus, in the washing of the feet, had given them a clear example of service and mutual caring, Luke reports that they still quarreled about places of honor, even at the Last Supper. My dear brothers and sisters, what Jesus found so hard to eradicate among his closest friends is still deeply ingrained in us today. Pride, jealousy, envy are active in family, in neighborhood, in school, in workplaces, in politics. Indeed, of regarding others as colleague or fellow human beings, we treat them as a competitors or enemies whom we want to undo. Cain murdered his brother Abel because he was jealous. Pride and jealousy cause us so much unhappiness and harm. My dear brothers and sisters, Jesus opposes pride and jealousy. For him, we are children of God who do not eliminate, oppose, or despise each other, but collaborate with and appreciate each other. Shared joy is double joy. If we have such a mentality, we will also care for the little ones. And this will make our lives better, richer, smoother.